How to check your Chromecast's firmware version.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to check the firmware version of your Chromecast device. This can be really useful for troubleshooting issues, or simply for ensuring that your device is up to date with the latest features and security patches.
What is a firmware version?
A firmware version is essentially the operating system for your Chromecast. It's the software that allows your device to function and communicate with other devices. Google regularly updates these firmware versions to fix bugs, add new features, or improve performance.
Where to find your Chromecast device?
To check your Chromecast's firmware version, you will first need to ensure that your Chromecast device is properly connected to your TV and your Wi-Fi network. Remember that your mobile device or computer needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
How to access the Google Home app.
Google Home app is your main gateway to manage your Chromecast device. So, make sure it's installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store.
How to check the firmware version.
1. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. 2. On the main screen, you'll see a list of your connected devices. Find and select your Chromecast device. 3. Once selected, you'll see a settings gear icon at the top right. Tap on this icon to open the device settings. 4. Scroll down to the Information section. Here, you'll find the Cast firmware version listed. That's the firmware version of your Chromecast. And that's it. You've just learned how to check the firmware version of your Chromecast. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions about your Chromecast device, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy casting!